When I started my first Faceless YouTube channel, it used to take me a whole weekend to make just one video. Now, I use a tool called Sollo AI to make a video in less than an hour. Here's the exact process I use. Step 1. Find a channel worth copying. First, find a faceless channel that's already doing well in the niche you like. Let's say you're interested in the history niche and in creating stickman videos like this channel. Trust me, bro, they make $30,000 a month from ad revenue. As you go through their videos, you're looking for a clear, repeatable format, strong titles, recognizable thumbnails, and simple visuals you could recreate yourself. A channel with big-budget cinematic videos isn't the kind of channel you want to replicate. A channel like this is perfect because they use simple visuals that you can create using AI, and the topics are easy to research. Here's a smaller channel that uses the same principles. They started posting 3 months ago, got over 17 million views on their channel, and make $7,000 a month. This is proof that this sort of content works for both established and new channels. Next, you want to screenshot its top-performing videos, the ones with the highest view counts. That screenshot is your blueprint for everything coming next. Step 2. Set up a Claude project for your channel. Open Claude and create a new project for this channel. In the instructions box, tell it your topic, who the videos are for, the style you're going for, and where you want the channel to head. The more detail you give here, the better everything after it gets. So include the video length you want, the tone, a few example titles you like, and even words you never wanted to use, so it stops sounding like AI. Step 3. Reverse engineer the winning ideas. Upload that screenshot into your project and put it to work. Claude works out why those videos did so well, and it'll even point out why their thumbnails use one face and 3 words, so you copy the pattern, not the picture. Then it hands you 15 ideas of your own, sorted from best to worst. Read through them and pick the strongest, and go by the one Claude ranked highest for clicks, not just the one you like, because that ranking is based on what already works in your niche. Pay attention to any content gaps it flags, meaning a topic the audience wants that the channel hasn't covered, because those are usually your easiest early wins. Step 4. Dig up the details nobody else has. Let's say you picked the title, "How Did Humans Sleep Before Beds Existed?" This next part is what makes the video worth watching. Paste the title back into Claude and ask for interesting, lesser-known facts. Pull out around 10 points that competing videos won't have. This is what stops your script sounding like every other video on the topic, so please don't rush past it. YouTube runs your script through its own AI now, and if it's just the same points everyone else made, it won't push it far. These 10 facts are what actually get you seen. Ask for the surprising numbers, the little-known stories, and the myths people get wrong, since those are the lines viewers remember and repeat in the comments. And double-check anything that sounds too good, because AI will sometimes invent a fact and present it with full confidence. Step 5. Write the script in Sollo. Head over to Sollo using the link in the description. Once you're signed in, go to the script writer here. This is where Sollo beats a general AI tool, because it asks for far more than a one-line prompt. Enter your topic and your title. Add those 10 research points as notes, or upload them as a document with any videos you want it to reference. Then paste in a link to the channel you're modeling, ideally their most popular video, or describe the writing style you want, so your script comes out in that same voice. Set your goal to maximize watch time and ad revenue. Choose a length of around 10 minutes and generate. A minute or so later, you've got a full script with your research already built in. Read it over and expand any section that feels thin. You can add another 500 or 1,000 words to any part with one click if you need to. Step 6. Turn the script into visuals. Copy the finished script, head to Visual Studio, and open the scene generator. Paste the whole script in, choose how many scenes you want, around 50 for a 10-minute video, and pick the stickman style or the style that matches the channel you're modeling. Hit generate and it makes every scene in one go, matched to your story and in the right order. When they're done, download them. What I love about Sollo is that it downloads the visuals in the right order, which makes editing a lot easier later. Glance through the scenes before you download. If one comes out warped or off topic, just regenerate that one. Step 7. add the voice. For the voiceover, open Sollo's VoiceOver Studio and paste your script in. Pick an AI voice that suits the channel, generate the narration, and download it. That's the fast, cheap route. Another option is to record the voiceover yourself instead. A real voice with a bit of accent or personality is much harder to copy, and it makes the whole channel feel like a person rather than a machine. Whichever way you go, listen back once and fix any word the voice says oddly, because even one odd-sounding name can pull people straight out of the video. Step 8. Edit it and make the thumbnail. Bring all the pieces together in an editor like CapCut. Import your voiceover and scenes, put the voiceover on the timeline first, then line the scenes up in numerical order and match each to the part of the narration it belongs to. Add a slow zoom to a few scenes so it doesn't feel like a static slideshow, and keep any background music low under the voice. For the thumbnail, go back into Sollo, open the thumbnail maker in Visual Studio, and paste a link to a successful video's thumbnail. Tell Sollo what text or changes you want, and it builds your version around that proven layout. Keep it simple with one clear focal point and strong contrast so it pops in people's feed. Download the thumbnail and upload it to your channel alongside your video. Step 9. Fix weak videos and turn them into a product. Once you've got videos up, Sollo helps you squeeze more out of them. Open the YouTube Performance Analyzer, paste in your video's link, and upload screenshots of its analytics. Sollo looks at the topic, the visuals, the comments, and the numbers, then tells you why it underperformed and gives you a checklist of title and thumbnail fixes for next time. The screenshots worth uploading are your click-through rate, your retention graph, and your traffic sources, because those show exactly where people lost interest. It'll even read your comments to spot what viewers actually wanted, which is gold for planning the next one. And this is the part most people never reach. Open the AI Content Studio, go to Digital Product, add your channel link and a few screenshots, and Sollo builds a digital product to match your audience with the offer, the guide, and a sales page, ready to sell on somewhere like Gumroad. This way, your channel can make money from YouTube ads as well as your own digital products. Price that product around $9 to $20 to start, since impulse buyers won't think twice at that level, and you can always raise it once it's selling. If you'd rather have your entire Faceless YouTube channel plan laid out for you, with the best niches, coaching, ready-made templates, and a community building these channels alongside you, take a look at the Online Business Club. It's run by Dave Nick, an entrepreneur who made 7 figures from running Faceless YouTube channels. It's a one-time payment for lifetime access with no monthly fees, and if you do the work and don't make your first $1,000 in 90 days, they'll refund you. I've linked it in the description for you to check out. If you want to see how to make a new, small YouTube channel more profitable than the big channels, watch this video next.